So I guess part of the thrill of owning a motorcycle is meeting other people that own a motorcycle. It's the camaraderie, you know, the brotherhood that goes with it. And just meeting and hanging out with people that enjoy the same things you do. With that being said, I've been riding for about 3 years, and I've only ridden with other people one time. And that was back when I hit 1,000 subscribers. We did a little meet and greet here locally around the Raleigh, North Carolina area. And actually it was really fun. I met some cool people. I can't remember most of their names, except Taylor. I remember you, buddy. Mainly because I think we were chit-chatting beforehand. I think that's why the name stuck with me. Which we kind of meant to do again, and I've kind of been talking about it off and on. I just haven't committed to it. Kind of for a variety of reasons. One, it's summertime here, so if it's not ridiculously hot, it's usually thunderstorming in the evenings and the afternoons. Like this afternoon, it's supposed to just freaking dump all over again. But that's kind of more like an excuse, because honestly, it's all me. I mean, 100%. Because I'm not a very social person. I'm not one to just like go out and meet new people and strike up conversations with them and all that other stuff, because I think it's awkward. And it's because I'm awkward. I mean, don't let this cool, calm motovlogger persona, you know, throw you off. I'm freaking weird. Especially socially. And I think it's small talk is the biggest thing. It's just because a lot of times I don't know what to say. And a lot of times once I get over that like initial little, you know, once I'm in the moment, it ends up being a lot easier. I don't know. And then plus also, I guess I'd have to be in charge too, sort of, in a way. Not saying, you know, oh, you come to a Lucky Aces ride, everything I say. What I say goes. I'm not saying that. Because if someone's going to come like do a meet and greet or something, I mean, you have to have some sort of plan, right? You can't just like, hey, let's just go meet here. And then, oh, what do you want to do? Oh, I don't know. Where do you want to ride? Oh, I guess. Where do you want to go? Oh, I don't know. You gotta have at least some sort of idea what you're doing or what you're looking at. And then that's when my brain starts like overthinking again. Because oh man, it's like, oh, we should do a ride and then go get something to eat. Like, oh, where should we go? Or I don't know. Or where's everybody coming from? Or how long should we be out? How long should this be? Should it be 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours? I don't know. How much time do people have? I don't want to take up their whole day. What about food? Or what if they don't like it? Well, I don't know. Or what if they think I'm an idiot? Or what if nobody shows up? And you know what I think because of that? Because of like all that freaking total mind freaking nonsense. It's usually why I end up riding by myself. Which riding by yourself and riding with other people, I mean, each has its own advantages. I mean, when I'm by myself, I can kind of go at my own pace. If I want to stop somewhere, it's no big deal. Fuel stops. If I need a snack, a drink. Kind of on my own schedule, doing my own thing. I don't have to worry about if I'm keeping pace with somebody, if I'm going too fast, if they're going too fast. I can just cruise and enjoy myself. But I can see the benefits in riding with other people. Like, for instance, this is an amazing hobby. I think we can all agree that this is one of the best feelings in the world. And if you got a buddy you can share that with, somebody you can go on a trip with, I mean, I can definitely see the upsides. Or for instance, one of you has a problem with your bike, I mean, at least somebody else is there for moral support, if nothing else. I don't know. I guess I'm just not a very social person. I get too much anxiety and I overthink everything. Which honestly, the motovlogs has helped. I mean, that does help. Kind of like putting myself out there a little bit, you know? Because if you go back to like the OG Lucky Aces stuff compared to now, oh man. These I'm not saying I put out great content. I'm just saying though that you know, my mood, demeanor, personality, oh, that's a bump, and overall confidence is completely different. But there is one thing I notice I still do. It's like starting a motovlog, I'll still ride around for like a minute or two before I actually even start talking, because I just don't know how to get started. And that's probably, you know, relatable to a lot of this other stuff too. It's like you just need to do it and just start, just go. If you don't push yourself, you don't grow. Because that's definitely not healthy for you. You know, one day you'll just wake up and, I don't know, you're late 30s and try to realize what you've been doing with your life, all the things you missed out on. Because you were either too anxious or nervous or whatever. And you end up being freaking haunted by the ghosts of your past decisions. Easy there, car. Thank you, thank you. So, I definitely want to do another ride. I'm thinking September. Keep an eye out for that, guys. I'll let you know at least a month in advance. It'll be on a weekend. I might try to do 2. Because when I asked you guys, hey, if you want to do a Saturday or a Sunday in a poll on the community tab, it ended up being like a 50-50 split. So, yeah. That didn't really help me make a decision very much. But that's okay. But what we'll do is we'll do like, I don't know, we'll probably ride for like an hour and then maybe grab something to eat. Kind of like what we did last time. Nothing really formal. Just kind of hang out and just kind of, you know, chat and whatnot. And let you guys take an up-close and personal look at this dirty freaking bike. So I'll try not to overthink it. But if nothing else, at least motorcycles are great for mental health, you know, because we kind of talked about that here. And as always, y'all be good. See you.